Traction is what defines how the car grips the terrain, based on its ability to transmit the engine's power to the wheels. In general, the cars we see on the street use only 2 wheels to propel themselves. And in most cases, it's the front wheels. That's called front-wheel drive. It's sufficient for driving on the most common surfaces in the city and on the road, and it provides good vehicle control in rainy and snowy conditions. It's lighter because the engine's weight is up front, over the driving wheels, which gives them more grip on slippery surfaces. Front-wheel drive also has a certain complexity because it has a triple demand placed on it. The task of providing traction and also accommodating the movements of the steering and the suspension. In other words, the wheel is handling 3 different forces at once, each of which is complicated on its own. As a result, special mechanisms are needed to compensate for these movements in order to continuously transmit the energy produced by the engine, regardless of whether the wheels are spinning, turning, or moving up and down. These mechanisms are known as constant velocity joints. Homo means same, and kinetic comes from movement, so it means same movement. They are also known as tripod joints. These joints are crucial and require a special type of grease. It's called molybdenum disulfide, which can withstand a lot of pressure and movement and protects the parts from wear. All vehicles, regardless of their type of drive, depend on the quality of universal joints, U-joints, and tripod joints to transmit power efficiently. And as always, we recommend that if you need to replace any component, you should use replacement parts that match the quality of the original part in order to maintain the system's efficiency and safety while driving.